Why are you guys yarring each other? Get off of me if you're going to yar each other. Jesus Christ. Ah, why are you yarring me? Why are you yarring me? Why'd she yar you? You guys are freaking psychos. Let me get a beer. Let me get a beer. No, you don't get the beers. Can I get a beer? Don't you get me. Crazy little shit. Oh, let's see what she wants. Nope, 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 nope. Ooh. Oh, there's a tractor over there. All right, come on. You be out of it. You be good. You be good. Oh, that feels good. Stay out of my cooler. Stay out of my cooler. Don't you yar me. Stay out of the cooler. Ouch! Don't you yar me. Don't you yar me. Leave the cooler alone. Leave the cooler alone. Don't you yar me. Leave it alone. You're awful annoying for a forest puppy. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. Can I pet you? Good girl. Good girl. You're so pretty. Punch yourself in the head. Want a beer? Is that what you want? You can have it.